View unpaid and paid invoices easily in LexisNexis Account Center. Click on the Invoice and Payment tab. A balance summary for your account sits at the top, followed by a list of invoices. Paid invoices will be marked with a tick. You can choose to view all items, paid items only, open items only, or credit notes only using the drop-down menu. Use the timeline drop-down to specify a time period. Click on an invoice from this list to review a summary in the right-hand pane. To view an invoice, click Download Invoice to download the PDF.